How to put custom ringtone for iPhone 2025. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is how you're going to be able to apply a custom ringtone for your iPhone in 2025. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you are going to go over to your App Store and you are going to make sure that you have an updated version of your iOS, at least 18.0 or above that. And once we have done that, you're going to make sure to download GarageBand. Now, I have an outdated version of iPhone, so I can't download GarageBand to show you how we're supposed to add a custom ringtone. But once you've downloaded GarageBand, what you're going to do is you're also going to go ahead to an application called MP3 Cutter, okay? And once you add that in, this is MP3 Cutter. Just go ahead and download this as well. Now, to apply a custom ringtone for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your MP3 Music Cutter, and right over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to Music. You're going to go over to the Files section and add in any music that you want. So let's say I want to add this, right? So once you've added that, click over here and go to Make Ringtone. Now, once you go to Make Ringtone, what's going to happen from there is you're going to go ahead and click on Edit. And once you click on Edit, you're going to hear it out if the snippet is good enough. So I feel like that's good enough. So we're going to click on Save and we're going to click on OK from here. Now, once you do that, you're going to go over to the ringtone screen. And once we're over here, click on these three dots and click on Save to Files. Once you click on Save to Files, you're going to save it over here. And once you have done that, simply go over to your GarageBand, choose this audio from your files, and create it into your custom ringtone. And that is pretty much about it on how you can create a custom ringtone on your iPhone in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.